Alrighty guys, we're here at Menards, here in Manhattan, Kansas. Hey, look at this call button.
Interesting.
I like that they put that thing on there. Hey guys, it's another ThyssenKrupp. Are we all surprised? Not really. Those buttons are not right. There we go. Bang. Oh, Menards. I don't know, let's see those buttons. But at least we got the old adverts. There it is. Old adverts. These things. Sorry. Nice cow. ThyssenKrupp. This one is very mediocre. Sorry.
Get it?
Yep. And there goes the elevator. I mean, this definitely screams, oh, Menards. Anyway, I guess that is gonna be it for me.